Hi classmates, Coach Maya here. Isa ka ba sa mga aspiring graphic designers? Gusto mo bang matutunan kung paano kumita ng up to 200,000 a month? Then, stick around and I will show you the step-by-steps to becoming a full-fledged graphic designer. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Now that you know the responsibilities and benefits of being a graphic designer, it's time to jump in and learn the steps on how to become one. So, how exactly do you become a graphic designer? The first step is learning graphic design principles. To become a graphic designer, you first need a solid understanding of the principles of graphic design. Good design is carefully crafted. It involves a lot of planning and requires expertise in applying design theory and principles. Graphic designers need to consider elements such as lines, colors, shapes, spaces, textures, typography, scales, dominance and emphasis, and harmony. All of these elements impact a design and can shape how an audience feels. The next step is enrolling in a graphic design course. A graphic design course teaches you the fundamentals of design and help you build skills through working on projects. Graphic design courses will also introduce you to mentors and peers who will be invaluable as you grow your network. Most graphic design courses, such as this one, will cover topics such as color theory, typography, layout, and graphic design tools and software. The third step is learning key graphic design tools. There are a variety of tools that graphic designers use. Most commonly, they work with graphic design software. Adobe Creative Suite is the standard for most graphic designers. You will want to become familiar with Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, as the majority of design work can be created through these tools. The fourth step is working on your own projects. After you're equipped with knowledge of graphic design principles and tools, it's time to practice. The best way to grow your skills and master graphic design software is to work on your own design projects. To get started, you can create mock ads and logos for real or made-up companies. You can also take a company's existing designs and try creating a new design. This is good practice for identifying and designing for target audiences. Another option is to volunteer with local nonprofits or brands. Offer your design skills to these organizations so you'd get more practice as well as gain real world experience. The fifth and final step is to build a portfolio to showcase your work. A strong portfolio is essential for any graphic designer. Your portfolio can include projects you completed for a course, as well as personal or work projects. Focus on quality over quantity. Your portfolio is the first impression that potential employers or clients will see, so select work that demonstrates your design skills and interests. And those are the steps to becoming a full-fledged graphic designer. Simply follow these steps to make sure you are on the right path. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.